Because na-block mo di likod. Okay. It's 187. It's so close. Just less than 7, bet more. Oh my God. I'm a YouTuber. Click me. Ed Konanan, hello. How are you, Ed Konanan, over here? Yeah, Sir Bro Ricky. Oh my God. My son is my son's brain is not working from tonight. I don't know why. Okay, another more questions under. Okay, so they're wrong. Oh, nandiyan chalk. Okay, Victoria will join. Victoria will join here. So this is the chalk. So you can write their Franco. So next question, Sander, Ricky. Okay, bro Ricky. No, you have to be respectful, Sander, okay? Because we have a bro Ricky here. He's also a YouTuber. 4. Yeah, 184. I don't know. Maybe someone is using bro Ricky's account right now. Maybe his kids is using his YouTube account right now. Maybe this is not really a bro Ricky is watching at the moment. Yeah, I guess someone is using his account. Okay, so Ed Kunanan here, 159 times 5. Okay, 12 times 8. It's for them, for God's sake. Yeah, Sander. Okay. So 12 times 8, they said. 12 times 8. 12 times 8.
268.
Huh?
268.
What is that? 12 times 8?
268.
Okay, sabihin mo, 12 times 8 equals?
Daria?
12 times 8 equals, no.
That's lower. Lower mo na.
Lower?
Yes, lower.
Sander. Okay, Sander, Jolo is going to answer you.
Wait lang, wait. Wait lang. Ayos. Oh, no, wait lang.
Sagdi lang kung mali si Jolo. No, mali daw.
87.
What is your?
88.
Lower daw. Ikaw.
88.
280. What is it 8? It's 2 digits.
88.
Lower than 2 digits. 266 maybe. It 10th place.
Ano yung answer gani ha?
268.
12 times 8?
Oh. Ed Kunanan, we will answer your question right now. Higher than 88 daw.
Ano yung answer mo na?
Oh, higher than 8. Ano ba yun? Hoy, 12 times 8 lang yan ha? 12 times 8 ha?
Wait.
8 times to Jolo, look at me. Jolo, look at me.
Huh?
Ha? Total. 2 times 8 equals 16. Oh, yan, carry mo. Okay, 1 times 8 equals
96.
equals 8, then plus 9 equals 96.
96?
Is that 96 ha?
96.
Higher than 88. 96 under.
96.
Okay? Sander, 96.
96, tama ka.
96. Okay, you're right. 96. Okay, 96 is correct. Okay, one more because why is it? Oh my God, what happened to you guys? Oh my God. Okay, we have to answer. Yeah, we have to answer Ed Kunanan a question with his 14 times 3. Yeah, congratulations Franco daw. Congratulations Franco. Okay, 1 point for Franco. So yeah, Franco Jolo.
14 times 3.
Oh, ano the Franco? Franco Jolo. Okay, 1 point for Franco, right? Okay. So, 34 times 9?
Ito yung gingon?
14.
48!
Ha?
48!
48, 14 times 3.
48!
14 times 3. 4, 8, 12. No, Jolo, you're wrong. 42. Now, Ed Kunanan, they're wrong. Okay, go ahead with Sander's question. 34 times 9. Okay, 34 times 9. Sander's question, all right? 34 times 9. Okay.
Oh, 34 times 9.
Okay, 34 times 9.
Ilagay mo sulat.
Okay, they're answering it right now, Sander. Victoria, are you not answering it? Say hi. Say hi to camera, Victoria.
Hi.